Do astronauts' loose hair cause problems on the ISS? Hair comes off everybody. In space, of course, where everything is floating and in free fall, those loose hairs that come off from astronauts, wouldn't they be floating in the ISS and possibly get in equipment and maybe damage or interfere with some of it? Is this an issue that could happen, or it wouldn't be a big deal? If it could be an issue, do astronauts on board the station do anything to prevent that? This is indeed a big consideration if it comes to operating spacecraft. The air is being kept moving to prevent the formation of CO2 bubbles and to keep dust particles such as hair from floating around. You don't want the astronauts breathing in the wrong stuff. So, the air is moved around by a lot of fans. The station is quite the noisy place because of this. There's also a bunch of air filters to clean up the circulating air, and one of the astronauts' duty is maintaining them, vacuuming, seal checks, etc.